Hi everyone, I built this steadier base for the lathe because the old one was a bit wobbly and I wanted something with a lot of weight to it, and these are posts that were standing in the water as a sort of a to prevent ships from colliding against the side of the channel. So I'm really happy with it. It's a lot steadier now. Less noise, less vibration. These are sort of V's, 15 degrees angles, piece of oak, bolted together. Underneath there's a little notch with a stretcher, apron, I think it's stretcher, and that supports the lower part. And I placed a bolt, 20 millimeter bolt, and threaded it into the hardwood. I think it's hardwood. It sticks in here about, I think, this far. So it's surprised how steady it is and how quickly good it works. So now I still need to make a rack for these, for all my gouges, all my water-turning chisels. Because they're still a bit dull. And now we have a jig to sharpen them on the tarmac. So that will help. And the rack will be probably just behind the lathe, so you can reach it easy. So that was a quick update. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.